Another way of muscle testing the body, another way of finding out if the body's saying yes or no, and you don't have a partner with you, is to use self-testing. Now, there's various means of self-testing. None of them are as accurate as using a partner, quite frankly. However, they are very good in a pinch. The one I like to use is to take your thumb and index finger and create like an OK sign. And the next thing is to stick the next index finger inside and try to break that loop. As you can see, I'm trying to break that loop with this finger. If I say, my name is Michael, that's strong. If I say, my name is Sally, it breaks the loop, and I can get what is called a negative finding, or a weak finding. And so, if you make a statement, I have $1 million in the bank, I guess I don't. So we test and find out if something is true. The first thing to do is to find out whether or not you're getting true or false answers. Say something you know to be true. My name is Michael, that's true. My name is Sally, that's false. Once we get a positive, negative finding, then we're able to proceed further, and you can test for positive or negative statements. Now, you can try this for testing different levels of yourself. For example, let's work with money, because that seems to be an issue that a lot of people are running up against, especially these days.